David and David here. Let's talk about how to replace an AirTag battery.
This is the AirTag I usually have on my wallet, but I put it in this thing because I wanted to remind people how to take it out of an Apple case. You don't just sort of rip it out, which I think a lot of people are going to do when they have to do this for the first time. Just remember, there's this little snappy thing that unsnaps.
Yeah.
Then you can sort of just take it out and set this overpriced piece of leather aside.
Great.
Then use 2 fingers, press down on the back of the AirTag, rotate it to the left. You don't have to open an app accidentally on your phone. Then the back comes off. Set that aside. Take out the battery. All right, here we have a replacement battery.
Yeah, well, just stick it in.
Stick it in. This isn't very difficult. Okay.
Well, it could be difficult if you go out and you buy these Duracell batteries with the bitter coating. These do not fit in AirTags. Don't buy them. Check out our other video, card above, description section below.
You keep saying they don't fit, but they fit.
Sort of.
They just don't work.
Connect.
They don't connect. Why? Because they have this coating, and Apple got real cutesy with their design and decided that instead of using this entire circle that they could have put that negative battery contact in, they said, we're going to actually just put it on the outside with this tiny little thing. If they had just used basic design principles, this wouldn't be a problem.
Yep.
Is Apple trying to kill children?
Probably not.
They're definitely not. But it is sloppy engineering. I guarantee you there were some people on their team that was like, guys, we are over-engineering this thing.
Yeah, perhaps. That's how to replace an AirTag battery. Pretty simple. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel. Only, 6.3% over the past 28 days are
6.3% of the people
watching these videos
are subscribed.
Yeah.
And we can even finish each other's
sentences. There you go.
Exactly. So come on, please.
Yeah. Excellent. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.